if you missed it last time, here's a quick recap.
A Hemi. Balls to the wall.
This is going to be kind of a spaced out video. I'm not sure how much I'm going to be able to film, but essentially I need to get this cleaned up, get all these hoses off, and then the van still has all of the interior in it and the doghouse and everything. And by the end of today, it needs to not have that, be on a trailer, be at my brother's shop, and we're gonna start taking things apart. And it's kind of last minute and we're rushing, so we'll see how this goes. Oh, and by the way, now I took my camper apart, so that's in the way. And it's Friday, so that means I still have to work. So it's kind of early in the morning right now. We'll see how much I can get done before work, and hopefully by the end of work, I'll have some stuff done and we can get it onto the road. I just kind of breezed over this, but this is a 1969 Apache Falcon, and I'm in the process of putting 1970 something Apache Eagle hard clamshell tops on there. So I'm sure I'll have this on the channel one day. If you want to see more of it sooner, put a little clickety clack in the comments, and we can make that happen. So I loaded the trailer with the 392 in the front and my van right behind it, and it took a couple hours actually to figure out the straps for the van. There's not too many strap mounting points on the trailer, and the way I have to do it for it to not hit the bumper or be too long on the van is pretty difficult. Well, the van's in the shop, so we're gonna go ahead and try to get everything out. I'm not sure what I'll be able to film on this or not, but I might have some photos and we'll do a little montage. We'll see what happens. recap from last video, I've had the transmission out of this van countless times. The engine, parts of it's been disconnected and replaced, put a new carburetor on it, I've had to pull the intake, you know, all these things before. So going into this, the engine came out super quick, and I didn't even think to take any pictures or videos while doing that. We just took the engine out. I mean, literally it took maybe an hour and it was out. And this is where I leave you for today. The Hemi is underneath the van, and the van is being lowered down onto the engine. We ended up going with some Hooker Blackheart 72 to 93 Dodge D100 Hemi conversion mounts, and they fit very well, and it is super close to being bolt in. Not quite, we're gonna have to custom make some mounts, but we'll cover that on the next video. See you next time.